Malta is a small, archipelagic island nation located in the Mediterranean Sea, south of Sicily and east of Tunisia. It is one of the smallest countries in Europe both in terms of size and population. But they proudly boast a rich history that spans thousands of years, with influences from various civilizations and cultures and amazing natural beauty. So let's swiftly explore the amazing places this small nation has to offer. Number 13. Verdala Castle in Buskett. Verdala Castle is a fortified palace located in the Buskett Gardens near the Dingli cliffs in Malta. Built in the 16th century during the reign of Grand Master Hughes de Verdala, it served as a summer residence for the Grand Master of the Knights of St. John. The castle is surrounded by beautiful gardens and provides panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. The castle is a fine example of Renaissance architecture and has a square layout with a central courtyard. Number 12. Dingli Cliffs. The Dingli Cliffs are a must-see for any visitor to Malta. These towering cliffs, rising 253 meters above the Mediterranean Sea. Great places to witness stunning panoramic views of the island's west coast. The cliffs are also home to a tiny chapel dedicated to Saint Mary Magdalene, which is perched precariously on the edge. This chapel marks the highest point of the Maltese Islands. You can enjoy a variety of activities, including hiking, biking, and picnicking. There are also several restaurants and cafes nearby where you can relax and enjoy the views. Number 11. Popeye Village. Popeye Village is a theme park on the island of Malta that was originally built as a film set for the 1980 live-action musical Popeye. It's located at Anchor Bay, about 3 kilometers from the village of Mellieha. The park is open to the public and consists of a collection of rustic and ramshackle wooden buildings, many of which are based on the designs of the film's sets. There are also a number of family attractions at Popeye Village, including boat rides, shows, museums, and playhouses. Visitors can also meet the main characters from the show, such as Popeye, Olive Oil, Bluto, and Wimpy. Number 10. Blue Grotto. The Blue Grotto in Malta is a stunning natural wonder consisting of a series of sea caves along the southeastern coast of the island. It's a popular tourist destination, and for good reason. The grotto's waters are illuminated by an incredible shade of blue thanks to the reflection of sunlight off the white sandy seabed. The main attraction is the Blue Grotto itself, a large cavern with an arched entrance that's about 30 meters high. But there are also several other smaller caves to explore, each with its own unique beauty. Some of the other notable caves include the Honeymoon Cave, the Cat's Cave, and the Reflection Cave. The best time to visit the Blue Grotto is on a sunny day when the colors are most vibrant. The grotto is accessible by boat trips that depart from the nearby harbor of Weed is Zurich. The boat trip takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Number 9. Rotunda of Mosta. Also known as the Mosta Dome or Mosta Rotunda, is a large church located in the town of Mosta in Malta. It is famous for its massive dome, which is one of the largest in the world and is often referred to as the third largest unsupported dome. The church is dedicated to the Assumption of Our Lady and is a significant religious and architectural site in Malta. The Rotunda of Mosta was built between 1833 and 1860, and its architecture was inspired by the Pantheon in Rome. During World War II, in 1942, a bomb pierced the dome of the rotunda during a mass but miraculously did not explode. This event is often referred to as the Miracle of Mosta, and the unexploded bomb is on display within the church as a testament to this extraordinary occurrence. The interior of the rotunda is adorned with beautiful artwork and frescoes, including works by Italian artist Giuseppe Calli. Number 8. Blue Lagoon and Comino Island. This stunning duo in Malta is a true paradise for anyone seeking crystal-clear waters, golden sands, and breathtaking natural beauty. Imagine a sheltered bay with waters so translucent they resemble a giant turquoise swimming pool. That's the Blue Lagoon. It is located between the islands of Comino and Comino. Fine white sand gently slopes into the calm sea, making it perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and simply soaking up the sun. Comino, the larger of the two islands, is a car-free haven for relaxation and adventure. Wander through charming fishing villages, explore hidden caves, or hike up to the St. Mary Tower for panoramic views of the surrounding islands. For a unique experience, rent a kayak or paddleboard and explore the coastline at your own pace, discovering secluded coves and hidden inlets. Number 7. The Megalithic Temples of Malta. The Megalithic Temples of Malta are a group of prehistoric temples dating back to approximately 3600 to 2500 BC and are considered some of the oldest freestanding structures in the world. These remarkable archaeological sites, found on the islands of Malta and Gozo, are a UNESCO World Heritage Site and offer a fascinating glimpse into the lives and beliefs of the island's early inhabitants. Gantija temples on Gozo. These are the oldest and largest of the temples, with some megaliths weighing up to 50 tons. They are believed to have been built by a giant race, hence the name Gantija, which means giants in Maltese. Hagarkim and Najdra on Malta. These temples are known for their intricate carvings and decorations depicting spirals, animals, and human figures. They are thought to have been used for religious ceremonies and astronomical observations. Tarxian temples in Malta. These temples are famous for their elaborate underground chambers and altars. They are believed to have been dedicated to fertility and childbirth. The megalithic temples of Malta are a testament to the ingenuity and skill of the island's early inhabitants. Number 6. Gozo. Gozo, the smaller and quieter sister island of Malta. It is a great place if you are looking for slower pace and authentic charm. Gozo offers a laid-back atmosphere, stunning natural beauty, and a rich cultural heritage. Here are some of the things you can do here. Dwara Bay is a dramatic cliffs with the iconic azure window. You can snorkel or dive in the clear waters and explore the inland sea by boat. Ramla Bay is another popular stop where you can soak up the sun on the golden sands of this idyllic beach, perfect for swimming, paddleboarding, or simply relaxing with a good book. Garnainchini Bay. You should take a boat trip to this secluded cove where turquoise waters and charming fishermen's huts create a picture-perfect scene. The Citadel. Visit the fortified city of Victoria, perched on a hilltop and surrounded by medieval walls. Explore the imposing citadel, wander through narrow streets, and admire the historic cathedral. Gantija temples. Step back in time at these UNESCO World Heritage Sites, the oldest freestanding megalithic temples in the world, predating even the pyramids of Egypt. Number 5. Mellieha and Red Tower. Mellieha and the Red Tower are a fantastic combination for a day trip in Malta. Mellieha is a charming coastal town situated in the northern part of Malta. Renowned for its beautiful sandy beach, Gadira, with stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea and the neighboring islands of Gozo and Comino. The city with numerous archaeological sites and historical buildings like the Red Tower, also known as St. Agatha's Tower. It is a 17th century watchtower overlooking Mellieha Bay. Built by the Knights of St. John for defense purposes and still standing out with its distinctive reddish ochre color. The place provides a perfect combination of relaxation, sightseeing, and historical exploration. Number 4. Mdina. This city was featured in the HBO series Game of Thrones as King's Landing. Mdina, also known as the Silent City, is a fortified city in the northern region of Malta filled with history and architectural beauty. It was served as Malta's capital from antiquity to the medieval period. The city walls, built by the Phoenicians, still stand today, enclosing a maze of narrow streets and honey-colored stone buildings. Mdina boasts historical landmarks like the St. Paul's Cathedral, the Valletta Palazzo, and the Mdina Gate. You can wander through the charming streets, soak in the medieval atmosphere, and explore the historic places in the city. Also, don't miss exploring the city museums. Number 3. Sliema and St Julian's. These two neighboring towns on the east coast of Malta are like two peas in a pod, often considered one big resort area. Choosing between them can be tricky, so let's explore what each has to offer and help you decide which might be the better fit for you. Sliema. Compared to St. Julian's, Sliema boasts a calmer atmosphere. It's perfect for families, couples, and those seeking a quiet retreat. Life in Sliema hinges around the Sliema Front, a promenade overlooking the sea all the way from one end of the town. St. Julian's. This is a city filled with nightlife and party vibes. St. Julian's is home to Malta's leading 5-star hotels you can groove on with vibrant bars, nightclubs, and casinos, especially in the Paceville area. Number 2. The Three Cities. The three cities of Malta are a trio of fortified cities, Vittoriosa, Sanglia, and Cospicua, located across the Grand Harbor from the capital city of Valletta. You can walk through the history and enjoy stunning harbor views while exploring the area. Here's a quick overview of each city. Vittoriosa, the oldest of the three cities, Vittoriosa was the seat of the Knights of St. John before they moved to Valletta. The city has a rich history dating back to the Phoenicians, and it played a pivotal role in the Great Siege of Malta in 1565. It's home to the impressive Fort St. Angelo, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the charming Vittoriosa waterfront. Sanglia, this city played a crucial role in the Great Siege of Malta, earning the title Città Invicta, meaning unconquered city, for its resilience. Known for its narrow streets and traditional Maltese houses, Sanglia offers a glimpse into authentic Maltese life. Cospicua, the largest of the three cities, Cospicua is home to the Malta Maritime Museum and the intriguing Inquisitor's Palace. Number 1. Valletta. This is the tiny capital of the Mediterranean island nation and a walled city which was established in the 1500s on a peninsula by the Knights of St. John, a Roman Catholic order. It is one of the oldest and most historic cities on the island. The city is perched on a dramatic peninsula between two sparkling harbors. It's a city brimming with history, culture, and architectural gems, all packed into a charmingly walkable space. Once you step inside its gates and you'll be transported to a world of Baroque elegance with grand piazzas, ornate churches, and palaces adorned with intricate balconies and wrought ironwork. Here are some places you should spend some time exploring. St. John's Co-Cathedral, this opulent Baroque masterpiece is Valletta's crown jewel. It was built by the Order of St. John between 1573 and 1578. The Grand Master's Palace. This was once the seat of the Knights of St. John. This imposing palace is now the official residence of the President of Malta. Upper Baraka Gardens, perched high above the Grand Harbor, these lush gardens offer panoramic views of the city and the shimmering expanse of the Mediterranean Sea. Fort St. Elmo. This star-shaped fort played a crucial role in the Great Siege of Malta in 1565 and is now a fascinating maritime museum. Beyond the historic sites, Valletta is a vibrant city with a charming atmosphere. You can wander through its narrow streets, browse the local shops, and savor delicious Maltese cuisine in one of the many cafes and restaurants. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If so, please like and subscribe to our channel to help us grow. Join us on our next journey, and until then, happy travels.